saving her.
Think nothing of it.
3 of my friends and my little brother are missing. When I find them, can I bring them here?
Absolutely not.
Oh,
I cannot afford to have Vass's captives here. His men buy product from me todo el tiempo.
Then this is the safest place. He won't think to look for them here.
Please, Doctor. Bring the rest here.
oh,
Die otherwise.
I'm so tired right now.
Agnes, how can I refuse you?
What?
The cost they can stay. I'm going to need a double dosage to calm my nerves.
I'll be fine.
Wait here, alright? I'm gonna find the others.
What the fuck? He said, oh, I double doses to find out.
Did you find your friend?
Yeah, she's fine. Thank you, Dennis.
You made this happen, not me. It is your victory.
Where are the others? Is there a way I can search for them? Anything to help me find them?
You know, Jason, the pirates use a satellite dish for communication on the Medusa. You could enter the comm room and listen in on the signal.
What's the Medusa?
A ship that has been beached nearby.
With pirates guarding it.
The path of the warrior, Jason. Train your body, and your mind will follow. The Tatao will bring you closer.
What? Oh, that's a look. I didn't saw it. Go to Medusa. Okay, I never used this thing. Let's see. What's a Medusa? Okay, I don't know what I do. Okay, that's a radio tower for here. I think I should, just go for the radio tower for now. Might land perfectly. Couldn't go over there by this, but I need that radio tower. How can I? Okay. Ship. Oh, there's a car. There's a car over there. So. Ew. Okay, now there is the car, so I don't need to think about the fucking nothing. Okay, actually, you know what? After this, this Medusa thing, I'm gonna play no more. I'm gonna end the video of recording. So I think I don't have enough space for my computer so that I can record. It's so tricky. Oh, I still made it. Yeah, I think it's Huntsman.